Hi guys, Maria Scrapbook here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, this is gonna be my empty apartment tour. Super excited to show you guys. Feeling very overwhelmed. This is my first apartment. If you hear an echo, it's because I have zero furniture in here. Yeah, like I said, it's so many different emotions that I feel right now. I just feel so overwhelmed, so happy, so just like it's like I can't even begin to describe how I feel, you guys. So let me stop rambling. Let's go ahead and get into this empty apartment tour because I know that's what you guys came here for. So when you first walk in, here is the door. When you look to your left, it is a closet right here. So utility closet, I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this for. It's very, very spacious. And I'm sorry y'all, again, I don't have any lights in here right now other than my kitchen lights, so bear with me. So yeah, this is a pretty decent size closet to put whatever I need in there. And then we're gonna go this way. And when you first walk in, it is my living room. So I'm waiting for it to focus, sorry guys. So yeah, this is my living room. This is the window right here. It's a patio, like I said. I'm not gonna show you guys the patio because safety reasons, but yeah. It's all hardwood floors. It's all hardwood floors everywhere except my bedroom. So pretty spacious in here. A lot of space, which I'm super excited about that. When you look this way, it is, of course, my kitchen. It's kind of like open, and then you have the dining room right here with the little light above it, which is cute. So we're gonna go to the kitchen next. So as you can see, a lot of cabinet space, which I absolutely love. Hardware in the brown cabinets. I love this like modern type of cabinet. Very cute, but not like doing too much. There's this thing right, these things right here I have to get down, but yeah. Love this. So cabinet space, 2 cabinet shelves. Another cabinet right here, which is like a very long cabinet. It has 4 shelves, which is cool. Oh. Go right here to more cabinet space. 3 shelves. So like I said, a lot of cabinet space, which I absolutely love. It's kind of like granite countertops. I don't know if you call this granite though. This is probably like off-brand granite, but you know, you get the gist of it. More space. This comes out pretty wide actually. And then down below we have our more cabinet space. It actually has a shelf back there, which is very convenient. I mean, because I need all the space I can get, y'all. Like, I have a lot of stuff. Just a regular black stove. Of course, you have the oven, which is neat. And then, of course, down below, look at that. Girl, that's ghetto. Oh my God, that's so ghetto. So yeah, we have the stove. I gotta fix the time on that. Then we have up here probably, so yeah, wow. So this is up here. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is, but this is giving kind of low-key ghetto because is this, oh, this is probably my, what do you call that thing? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't really like how this is, but I mean, it's giving ghetto because I think this is like aluminum foil, you guys. Like, what? This is ghetto, but more cabinet space up here. I love how they have white lights up here. I feel like that's so neat. Yeah, more cabinet space up here, which I love. The refrigerator, which is regular black. Is it on? Okay, yeah, it's on. It doesn't smell bad. Yo, I'm sorry, I be having to smell stuff because we don't do no stinky stuff. So regular, just regular refrigerator has where I'm probably gonna store like butter, cheese here, stuff like that. Of course, you have the freezer on top, and then we're gonna turn this way and excuse my stuff right here. Yeah, excuse my stuff right there. So what I absolutely love about this apartment is that like from the kitchen, you can just see everything. Like, I love that. You can just see everything. So if I wanted to be cooking and watching TV, I can just literally directly, it's kind of like open, and that's what I love. Right here, we're gonna go to the dishwasher. So, very neat. And then we're gonna go to more cabinet space, which I love. Like I said before, just regular cabinet spaces. And then we're gonna have like more cabinet space, which comes out. I love how it comes out so much, so you can get a lot of stuff in there. That's very neat. More, and this is actually like deeper than the first one. Like, look how. So I'm able to get more stuff in this one, which is very nice. Pull this one down, which is very deep as well. I love these hardwood floors everywhere. Like, probably for me, that's like the best part of the apartment. And then we have, of course, it's a little dirty. I have to clean it. Of course, my sink. I'm so happy it's 2 sinks. Like, love, absolutely love. Let's turn this on to make sure it works. Oops. So yes, it works. Other one on. Works. Cool. Let's try the sprayer. I just want to make sure the sprayer works. It works, but it's not like high pressure, which I'm probably gonna get them to fix because I need it to be high pressure. That's that. That's my sink. I have a garbage disposal right here, which is very neat. So yeah, this is the kitchen. And I didn't even notice there's a plug right here. That's very neat. There's also plugs right there too. So if I wanted to plug up something, I could easily do that. It's 2 lights right here. This is gonna be my dining room. My dining room isn't even that big, but I got a little dining table that I'm gonna put right here. Y'all will see it in the furnished apartment tour. So next, we are going to go to my washer and dryer area, which I like. That is 2 full size and it's not stackable, so I can get more stuff in there because I do have a lot of stuff. Open it, just regular washer. I mean, this is the dryer. And then this is the wash machine. Nice, decent size, able to get a lot of stuff in there. Of course, I'm gonna put all my washing stuff up here. So that is my washer and dryer area. And I love these double doors and the handles for the doors. That's really neat, I like that. So next we're going to go, this is just, what do you call it? Yeah, that's what that is. Next we're gonna go to the bathroom. So when you first walk in the bathroom, oh, let me go. So when you first walk in the bathroom, it is a door right here, which is my kind of like, I don't know what you call this closet, where you put all your stuff that you need for your bathroom. So like your everything, girl, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like this is where my towels and stuff are gonna go, like my washing stuff, not my washing stuff, my body washes, my hair products. Probably gonna put all this stuff right here. It's very spacious, which I love, because like I said, I do have a lot of stuff. This is just the back of the door right there. Yeah, hardwood floors in here. And then we have the sink, which is, here's me, a little sink right here. And then we have the lights. And then we have a little nice sink. Very high pressure. If you're getting an apartment, I always recommend checking everything before you, like the water pressure, because child, I need my water pressure to be right, okay? So you open these, and this is probably where my cleaning supplies and stuff is gonna go, right through here. Close that. And then my toilet right there. I'm probably not gonna use this though right here, because I brought my own. And then of course we have the outlet right here, and then my shower. I kind of want to turn the shower on to see what it's giving. So when you leave the bathroom, you just see from the kitchen and the living room, like I said, very open. So when you first walk in, this is my bedroom. Lots of space in here. My bed is probably gonna go right here. This part right here is very deep, like where it can fit my bed. My bed's probably gonna go in front of the window because my what do you call it, my bed frame is like tall. So yeah, but this area right here is very deep. It looks small, but it's very big. These are my two closets right here. Love, love, love the double closets. The first one, so you guys, my closet is kind of connected, so I'm about to show you guys. So when you open both of the closet doors, y'all, look how much space is in these closets. Love, love, love. So a lot of space, literally, you guys, I'm all the way over here in the closet ends all the way over there. So I have so much closet space, like it's crazy. I have so many ideas for this closet though. I think I'm going to, this is gonna be like my shoe closet. I'm gonna get shelves from like maybe IKEA or something. Super excited about that. Yeah, another window. Not really sure how I'm gonna rearrange my room. I may put a TV right in the middle of here, because I have a 50-inch, but I feel like the TV is gonna like mess up my whole area. So I don't know if I'm gonna put a TV right there. I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. I don't know. So yeah, this is my bedroom. There's not even a light in here, so I'm gonna have to get a light for this room. Yeah. Okay, let me open the door. So yeah, yeah, you guys. So you guys, thank you so much for watching my empty apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Much content in store now that I'm in my own personal space. I'm super excited. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited, so grateful, so blessed to be able to move into my own apartment completely on my own. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.